Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to reset your Rakuten password. Whether you're a frequent shopper on this popular e-commerce platform or just need a quick refresh, this guide will get you back in action in no time. Rakuten is all about seamless online shopping, but forgetting your password can put a temporary halt on that. Don't stress. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, head over to the Rakuten website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.rakuten.com or using the app if that's your go-to. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on that, and it should take you to the login page. Now, if you've forgotten your password, spot the Forgot Password or Reset Password link right below the login fields. Go ahead and click it. It's your gateway to getting back in. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address or username. Make sure it's the one linked to your Rakuten account. After you submit that, Rakuten will send a password reset email to your inbox. Keep an eye out for it. It might land in your spam folder, so check there if you don't see it right away. Once you open the email, you'll find a secure link. Click on that link, and it will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong. Mix in uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After entering your new password and confirming it, hit the Submit button. Voila! Your password is now reset, and you can log in to your Rakuten account. Remember, it's always a good idea to update your passwords regularly to keep your account safe from potential threats. If you run into any issues, Rakuten's Help Center has additional resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Stay secure out there, and happy shopping on Rakuten.